Welcome to the Knowledge Hub. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of animals. From the deep ocean to the highest mountains, animals possess extraordinary abilities and adaptations that will leave you in awe. Get ready for 20 amazing animal facts that will open your eyes to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Fact 1. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. Imagine a creature that never ages, literally. The immortal jellyfish, found in the Mediterranean Sea and off the coast of Japan, has an astounding ability to reverse its aging process. When this jellyfish faces threats like injury, starvation, or old age, it can transform its adult cells back into a polyp stage, which is essentially its earliest form of life. This biological reset allows the jellyfish to potentially live indefinitely unless killed by external factors like predation. Scientists are studying this phenomenon, hoping to uncover secrets about aging and regeneration that might one day have medical applications for humans. Fact 2. The tongue of a blue whale. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, has a tongue that weighs as much as an elephant, up to 2.7 metric tons. This massive tongue is crucial for its feeding process. Blue whales are filter feeders, consuming up to 4 tons of krill daily. When a blue whale opens its mouth to feed, it can take in about 90 tons of water and krill at a time. The tongue then presses against the baleen plates in its mouth, filtering out the water and trapping the krill, which the whale swallows in giant gulps. This efficient feeding method allows the whale to maintain its massive size. Fact 3. Octopus intelligence and problem solving. Octopuses are renowned for their intelligence, which rivals that of many mammals. These cephalopods have been observed using tools, solving puzzles, and even escaping enclosures in laboratories. Each of an octopus's 8 arms operates semi-independently, with a large portion of its neurons located in the arms themselves, allowing it to multitask effortlessly. In one famous experiment, an octopus was seen opening a jar from the inside to escape. Their short lifespan contrasts with their complex intelligence, as most octopuses live only 1 to 2 years in the wild. Fact 4. The cheetah's superspeed. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, in short bursts covering distances up to 500 meters. What's fascinating is that their acceleration rivals some of the fastest sports cars. They can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. This speed is made possible by a unique combination of factors: their lightweight bodies, long legs, non-retractable claws that grip the ground, and an enlarged heart and lungs that allow for rapid oxygen exchange. However, this speed comes at a cost. Cheetahs can only sustain such sprints for short periods due to overheating and exhaustion. Fact 5. Elephants' memory and emotional depth. Elephants are known for their exceptional memory, which helps them navigate vast territories and locate watering holes during droughts. But their intelligence goes beyond navigation. Elephants display complex social behaviors, including mourning their dead, playing, and forming close bonds with family members. They have been observed returning to the bones of deceased relatives and staying with them for hours, showing signs of grief. Their emotional intelligence is thought to be similar to that of humans, making them one of the most empathetic creatures on the planet. Fact 6. The pistol shrimp's sonic weapon. Don't let its small size fool you. The pistol shrimp, which measures about 1 to 2 inches, packs a punch. With its specialized claw, it can snap so fast that it creates a bubble traveling at speeds of over 60 miles per hour. When the bubble bursts, it generates heat as hot as the sun's surface and creates a shockwave that stuns or kills prey. This incredible weapon has earned the pistol shrimp its name, and its hunting method is one of the most unique in the animal kingdom. Fact 7. Hummingbird metabolism. Hummingbirds are nature's helicopters, capable of hovering mid-air while they sip nectar from flowers. To maintain their high-energy lifestyle, these tiny birds have the highest metabolism of any vertebrate, with heart rates reaching over 1,200 beats per minute. Incredibly, hummingbirds can consume up to twice their body weight in nectar every day. At night or during periods of scarcity, they enter a state called torpor, where their metabolism slows to 1/15 of its normal rate, allowing them to conserve energy and survive. Fact 8. Giraffes and their long necks. A giraffe's neck can reach up to 6 feet in length and weigh as much as 600 pounds, yet it only has 7 cervical vertebrae, the same number as humans. These vertebrae are simply much larger and spaced farther apart. The giraffe's long neck gives it an advantage in the savannas, allowing it to reach leaves high up in trees that other herbivores cannot. Additionally, male giraffes use their necks in combat, swinging their heads like hammers in contests of dominance, a behavior known as necking. Despite their height, giraffes only need to drink water every few days, obtaining most of their hydration from the plants they consume. Fact 9. Dolphins' echolocation abilities. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent animals, and one of their most fascinating abilities is echolocation, a biological sonar they use to hunt and navigate in the ocean. By producing clicks and listening to the echoes that bounce off objects, dolphins can create a mental image of their surroundings. This allows them to detect the size, shape, speed, and distance of objects, even in complete darkness or murky waters. Echolocation is so precise that dolphins can detect a fish the size of a golf ball from over 100 feet away. Fact 10. The amazing armor of the pangolin. Pangolins are the only mammals fully covered in scales made of keratin, the same substance that makes up human hair and nails. When threatened, they roll up into a tight ball, using their tough scales as a shield. These scales are so strong that they can deflect the bites and claws of predators like lions. Unfortunately, pangolins are among the most trafficked animals in the world, due to the belief in some cultures that their scales have medicinal properties, though there is no scientific evidence to support this. Fact 11. The mimic octopus's shape-shifting abilities. The mimic octopus, Octopus mimicus, is a master of disguise, not only changing its color and texture like other octopuses, but also mimicking the shapes of other sea creatures. Found in the shallow waters of Southeast Asia, it has been observed impersonating venomous creatures such as lionfish, sea snakes, and jellyfish, scaring off potential predators. It can contort its body, wave its arms, and alter its color patterns to imitate more than 15 different marine species. This extraordinary camouflage ability helps the mimic octopus evade danger in its often predator-filled environment. Fact 12. The sleep patterns of dolphins. Dolphins have a unique way of sleeping. They shut down only one half of their brain at a time, allowing the other half to remain awake to monitor their environment and ensure they continue breathing. This is called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, a necessity for marine mammals because they must consciously come to the surface to breathe. While half of the brain sleeps, the dolphin can swim slowly, maintain a level of awareness, and avoid potential threats like predators or obstacles in their path. Fact 13. The stomach of a starfish. Starfish, or sea stars, have a truly bizarre method of eating. When they find prey, such as mussels or clams, they use their strong arms to pry open the shell slightly. Then, the starfish does something extraordinary. It pushes its stomach out of its mouth and into the shell, releasing digestive enzymes that liquefy the prey. After digesting the prey externally, the starfish pulls its stomach back inside its body, absorbing the nutrients. This unique feeding method allows starfish to consume animals that are larger than their mouths. Fact 14. The Greenland shark's long lifespan. The Greenland shark, Somniosus microcephalus, is the longest living vertebrate on Earth, with some individuals estimated to live over 400 years. Found in the cold, deep waters of the North Atlantic, these sharks grow extremely slowly, about 1 centimeter per year. Their incredible longevity is thought to be due to their slow metabolism and the frigid waters they inhabit. Scientists use radiocarbon dating of the shark's eye tissue to determine their age. This ancient species is older than the United States as a nation and is still a mystery in many aspects of its biology. Fact 15. The explosive defense of the Bombardier beetle. The Bombardier beetle has one of the most remarkable defense mechanisms in the insect world. When threatened, it ejects a boiling, noxious chemical spray from its abdomen at its attacker. This spray, made up of hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, is expelled at nearly 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The chemicals are stored separately in the beetle's body and combine only at the moment of attack, creating an explosive reaction that deters predators. This rapid, accurate burst of toxic liquid is shot out with an audible pop, earning the beetle its name. Fact 16. The eyes of the mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp has some of the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. Unlike humans, who have 3 types of color receptors in our eyes, mantis shrimp have up to 16 different photoreceptor types, allowing them to see a vast array of colors, including ultraviolet light. Their eyes are so sensitive and well coordinated that each one can move independently, providing a 360-degree view of their surroundings. These abilities are crucial for hunting and navigating their coral reef homes, where light conditions can vary dramatically. Fact 17. The sleep habits of giraffes. Giraffes are known for their unusual sleep habits. They sleep for just 30 minutes to 2 hours a day, often in short bursts of a few minutes. This makes them one of the least sleep-dependent mammals. To avoid predators, giraffes sleep standing up and remain alert, ready to run at a moment's notice. Occasionally, they will sleep lying down with their head resting on their hindquarters, but this leaves them vulnerable, so it's a rare occurrence. Their short sleep cycles allow them to stay on guard and maintain their energy levels for foraging and other daily activities. Fact 18. The camouflage skills of the leaf-tailed gecko. The leaf-tailed gecko, native to Madagascar, is an expert in blending into its environment. Its body resembles the appearance of tree bark, complete with ridges, bumps, and even patches of moss-like patterns. These geckos use their flat tails and cryptic coloration to hide from predators and ambush prey. When motionless on a tree trunk, they are almost impossible to spot. Some species have even developed fringed skin that breaks up their outline, making them blend seamlessly with the leaves and branches around them. Fact 19. The size and strength of the dung beetle. The dung beetle may seem like an unlikely superhero, but it's one of the strongest animals in the world relative to its size. Some species can push or pull over 1,000 times their own body weight. This would be the equivalent of a human dragging 6 double-decker buses full of people. Dung beetles play an essential role in their ecosystems by cleaning up waste and recycling nutrients back into the soil. Their strength and tireless work ethic make them one of nature's most efficient recyclers. Fact 20. The blood-squirting defense of the horned lizard. The horned lizard has a surprising and unusual defense mechanism. When threatened by predators, particularly canines like foxes and coyotes, this small reptile can shoot blood from its eyes. It does this by rupturing tiny blood vessels in its eye sockets, squirting the blood up to 5 feet. The blood contains chemicals that are noxious to predators, especially dogs, and can cause confusion and discomfort, giving the lizard a chance to escape. This bizarre defense tactic is unique to the horned lizard. And that's not all. There's so much more to explore in the animal kingdom. From incredible defense mechanisms to unmatched intelligence, animals never cease to surprise us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Knowledge Hub for more amazing insights into the natural world.